And second fighter is Saif in the red corner. And there it is, the Paras is getting ready to enter into the ring right now. The checking is going on.
Paras looks fairly confident as well. Let's see how it goes from there.
And here the Paras Sharma comes inside the ring.
Now that was a badass entrance right there.
Lovely entrance by Paras Sharma. He's taking a one round of the ring, checking the ring out, making it more comfortable. His coach is guiding him.
Let's see, Paras trains at Keep for Life MMA. It's in Virar and fairly has produced some good fighters. Swatandra Fight League, and this is fight.
And our second fighter is getting padded right now. Saif Abuji corner is about to make his entrance. Corner is about to make his entrance. He hugs his coach, takes his blessing, and here he comes, Saif Abuji in the red corner. He's praying.
Saif also looks excited about.
Both the fighters are in the ring facing each other.
That is some good display of his flexibility. Seems like he's a good grappler. What do you think? Will he go for the takedown first or will he do striking?
I think he will go for the takedown first.
Let's see.
Let's see, both the fighters look ready. Ref is ready. Ref is calling both the fighters for the checking. Here the touching gloves are done and the fight is going to begin in any few seconds.
Paras looks calm.
So does Abu. And here we goes, here we goes.
That's a nice cage grab.
That's a beautiful slam against the cage.
Saif looks a bit strong for Paras.
He's holding it right. Paras is holding him right. To Saif.
It's,
Good holding.
Saif is trying to get the leg lock, to hook his leg and take him down. But
Let's see, there was a knee hit strike. Let's see.
it's a nice knee over there.
Nice knee hit. Nice knee hit.
Paras is also doing a great job by holding him.
He's
right
holding
there.
him nice. There you go.
Yeah,
He came
there
out. He
you
came
go.
out. He came out from the corner. Still the struggle is on. And there he goes for the takedown. He might be going for the ground and pound. Let's see what happens next. He's controlling him nice.
How do you think Paras can get out of there? Some bit of guidance from you?
Maybe he can thrust his hip up, use his legs more. He's going for the ground, but Paras has to get up.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's a nice escape. That's a good escape, Paras. Paras Sharma has escaped very beautifully. Very beautifully.
Nice.
He's going for the ground.
Cage control.
Good.
Good display.
His calm nature is helping him nicely.
There goes the switch again.
Side controlling, yes.
I think Saif is going for an.
He's going for the back.
Right hand को देख, yes.
Saif just got the back.
Back mount पे जा, hold कर, शाबाश.
He's into the turtle position right now in Paras, and there comes the ground and pound. There comes the ground and pound.
Those are some
He's
heavy
getting
shots
up.
that is landing and Paras is caught up. Seems like he'll go for an RNC choke right now. And he got it.
Got the RNC, but let's see.
Complete. It's not
Let's see.
That was a good escape by Paras.
Good escape. He's struggling nicely. Good one. Keep turning.
Again, he's got the mount. You can see Paras is getting a bit drained out over here.
He's caging. He's spinning him against the cage, making him tired. And there he tries to come.
Getting up.
Paras has to make sure he gets up fast.
That was a good knee. Straight to the liver. But that was a good escape.
He's grabbing him
But there
nicely.
goes him. Nice. There goes Paras back.
That was a beautiful takedown by Seth.
Good. Side controlling or elbow?
Again he got the side mount.
ये left वाला elbow लगा ना फसली पे क्या कर रहे हैं?
You can see Paras has got some cage wounds on his elbow.
देख रुक पहले controlling बना देख. हाँ.
There he's going for the back. He's getting it again, getting it away. Paras is getting up again.
Punches करना नीचे से underarm से.
You can see
There you
that
go.
Seth is very much dominating Paras right now.
Paras is in the turtle position right now. Seth is going for the RNC.
लगा शाबाश.
And he escapes again. He's got his hands in.
लगा दे. खींच दे.
Paras is still struggling, trying to hold him. Nice
That's a
punch.
good shot
That's a
by
good
Paras.
shot by
That's a
Paras
good
Sharma. Clean, very nice, very nice. And a good deviation.
नीचे दे ऊपर दे.
That was a foul shot by Seth right there.
Paras is afraid that he is going to show up. But if he gets up early, nice.
Nice done.
Should have taken a break, not to engage.
Seth has been fairly dominating this fight till now. But Paras has also got the single leg and Paras is now...
Paras is also having a good fight.
Over here. Completely turned around.
Nice,
the
nice,
right
nice.
now.
Good
That's
one,
a
good
nice
one,
elbow.
good one. Very
Nice
good.
elbow.
Nice. Paras is giving back to back elbow. That's a really nice blow on his face.
And as you can see, Paras is in a half guard.
Exactly.
It's a fairly
Exactly. Oh, nice. That's a beautiful
elbow
shot.
right there. As you can see, Seth is coming drained out.
Okay,
right now.
yes.
That's because he
he's drained out.
exhausted himself while going through. But that's a
He's
nice
kind
shot
of a
by
wrestler
Paras.
stuff. He's wrestler, and Paras is having a good
And he
stamina.
tried
Right
for an
now.
armbar, but Paras escapes
No.
it again.
There you go. Very nice.
Now all Paras has to do
Nice
is stay.
shot. That's a
All
beautiful
Paras-
shot. Beautiful elbow on his face. Nice shot. Good
All
one.
Paras has to do
Good
is
one.
this.
Oh boy.
And last 10
Nice.
seconds right there.
Good,
That was a nice-
good shots, good shots. And there is a first round is over.
That was an intense round right there.
Very good round and very unexpected flips we have seen and very unexpected blows by Paras Sharma and Saif Abuji. Here comes the coach.
जा
They're giving them the guidance.
Seth
ना,
was
सर्दी
fairly
गए ना,
dominant in the whole round, but at the last
And the game
30
completely
seconds-
changed.
Last 30 seconds it completely
That's why it
changed.
says MMA, it's an unpredictable game. Anything can happen and at any time. Paras Sharma has changed the entire game within fraction of seconds.
And you can see
Lovely.
in the case of Saif also, he's feeling the shots right now. He has been feeling it. He went explosive in the first round and now he seems a bit tired because it took a lot of damage in the last 30 seconds.
Paras is still having a lot of good stamina right now.
Paras looks charged up.
Saif looks a little bit tired. He's panting for breath.
Yeah, but
His
the first
strength.
round fairly according to Saif because of its complete dominance.
The break is over. The second round is about to begin right now.
Paras has to put the second round on him. Otherwise he's going to lose the fight.
Fighters are ready. Cage is locked.
Saif looks a bit tired and Paras looks fairly calm like he was in the first round.
Be calm but ready.
Yeah, that's the motto of a dojo called Tandav. We'll see in the next fight.
And here the fight comes.
Yeah, see you guys. You can see
Saif has dropped his guard, being more confident.
Trying to mock him. But Paras is fairly calm. All he needs to do is do a good bit of
Nice shot.
That
That was a
nice
beautiful shot by
Paras.
Paras.
That was a nice shot right there.
Encaged. He got encaged.
Yeah. I don't think Saif is taking the right calls right
Nice
now because
knee,
being
nice
tired
knee.
and going into grappling is not a good decision.
Good. चल तू ओवर हुक है ठीक लगा ओवर हुक है लगा
Saif
Beautiful
is trying to
defense
shut
by
down the
Paras.
fight.
He's holding him tight. He's not allowing him to do any sort of groin.
That was
There was a knee strike to the groin. That's why the referee had to break it out. Good
Go
fight.
Saif. Nice right. Yeah.
There was a mistake.
No coaching. Hey, respect your corner.
Paras Sharma got few seconds. And Paras is ready again.
Really
He's
good
charged
job,
up. He's
good
all
job,
charged up.
sportsmanship by Paras as
Seth is
well.
also ready again. He's also charged
And
up.
Seth got the much needed break which he wanted.
Exactly. But let's see how long he can sustain for that break. As after first round, Seth is completely
Let's see.
drained out.
And Seth will again try to hold him down.
Exactly.
Recover, but Paras needs to stay away and keep striking. Let's see how Paras
If
does.
Paras understands that strategy, he's going to
He's going to
win.
win. He's going
If
to
he
win.
understands
Yeah,
that.
Paras is also mocking him back right now.
Nice,
And a
nice.
nice
Good
block.
shot,
Nice
good
shot by
shot.
Paras.
And good counter back by Paras. Seth is again mocking him.
Paras should hit the face now instead of just going there. They should. Now Seth
Both the
again
fighters,
recovering.
both the
Seth
fighters,
Seth-
a little being careful.
Action, gentlemen.
And that's a call from the referee to engage because no one is engaging.
Both the fighters are trying to engage. Let's see who engages first. And there goes. Oh, that's a nice shot on the face. Nice shot on the
takedown by
face.
Paras.
No, he's going to slip out.
There goes the
Paras
mount.
is going to slip out.
There goes
Nice,
the
nice.
mount.
Good,
And
good.
now
That's a good
Paras
ground
will
and pound.
secure the position and take
Good,
the shots.
good,
That was
good.
nice. No.
Good flip over. Good flip over.
All Paras needs to do is hold
Nice,
the position.
nice, nice. Good ground and pound.
Shots by Paras.
Seth is struggling a lot. Seth is struggling a lot to hold him and trying to
Paras is
flip
very good at
it.
holding his position also.
Seth is trying to grip him nicely, not to show his face. And there go a beautiful shot.
Straight elbows landed by
Nice,
Paras.
nice.
right
Lot
there.
of good going,
It's a
good
good set of
going.
elbows by Paras. All he needs to do is hold
Seth
the
is
position
struggling
and
a lot
keep
to push
striking.
him
Hold
away.
the position and keep striking. Since Seth is tired, he can't turn him. All he needs to do is hold the position and keep striking.
Paras is constantly taking the advantage. And there he goes, there he goes. Seth is so tired that he's
That's a
barely
big
even
shot
moving.
right there.
Nice
3-4
shot.
strikes.
Nice shot. There's a good going, good going.
Good shots.
Again,
That's a beautiful
Seth
elbow.
needs to
Beautiful
cover his
elbow.
face. He's exposing it very badly.
Seth is taking a lot of beating right now. A lot of punishment. by
Lot of
Paras.
punishment.
I think
There you
this is the dominance of the first round which Paras is taking out now.
Kind of a revenge he's taking it.
What a
Nice
wonderful
shot.
turn of events.
That's a good shot by Paras Sharma. Back to back. 3 strikes he has given to Seth. I don't know why Seth.
Seth is using
I don't
the
know
cage.
why
It's not
Seth
allowed,
is
right, by the way. Paras.
Nice. That was a so good flip. So good flip by Paras Sharma. Oh boy. Seth tried his level best.
Seth is
If Seth does the same thing again, he's going to go. Very good. The fight is going
I need
on.
to capture this clip in my phone as well.
It's becoming more aggressive. Both the fighters are mocking each other.
Just वीडियो ले उधर से ले इधर से नहीं आ रहा
And Paras is still holding the fighter right there. Seth is trying his level best to come out of the position.
All Paras
Let's
has
see.
to do is
And
hold
he's taking a lot of beating. There you go, there you go.
Round was all Paras.
Paras' powers, punches are so good. Seth, I don't know how strong Seth is. Seth is taking very good beating. Seth has to come out of that position.
I felt this is elbow right there, which was illegal like 2 months ago. How they're coming illegal.
Paras is giving his level best. His entire
All
strength.
he has to do is hold and strike.
Nice shot. That was again a good shot. Good shot.
That was another elbow right.
Seth is completely drained.
Seth is completely
He's completely drained. Seth is completely drained and he's going very underconfident right now.
Oh, and Seth is up. Seth is getting up. And then
Paras got him into the guillotine.
No, he's completely out of the guillotine. Last 10 seconds. It's
Last 10
completely-
seconds are there.
Paras
Oh
has
God.
got it because it's just 10 seconds.
Seth has taken the dominant position. Let's see. Okay. Second round is over. Let's see for the third round.
Dominance by Paras right there.
Oh boy. The first round in the end was also dominated by Paras Sharma. It was a beautiful start by Seth Abuji in the red corner.
So it
the
goes
game has
like
completely
1-1.
changed.
First round to Seth and second round goes to Paras.
It's going completely crazy right now.
And now
Completely
third round is
crazy.
going to be the decider. Let's see.
Both are doing beautiful, but it's a lot of pressure right now on the red corner. Seth Because Paras,
I think Paras will finish the fight.
let's see, let's hope for the best.
Seth is completely exhausted.
He's completely exhausted, but anything can happen at any time. One shot to the right spot can change the game forever. If Paras understands this thing, he will be not letting his guard down.
lot of beating taken that Seth right there. You can see a couple of swollen.
Completely. I think he must have taken approx 30 to 40 strikes
Yeah.
with elbows on his bare face.
At least 10 elbows.
And the break is over.
And you can see Paras is completely fresh. His face looks like
He's very calm.
like a no
And
face.
beautiful thing is he's very calm.
He's got no scars, no bruises. Paras is clean.
He's doing good.
If it does the same thing, he's going to finish the fight in the third round.
There you go. And the fight has begun. There's a friendly handshake.
As you can see, Seth again.
And Seth is buying time for himself. He's going for
Paras
a
like
break.
they're mocking him.
Both the fighters are mocking each other.
Both are completely tired and both are completely Paras knows.
अबे सब गेम खेलना अपना गेम खेल
Seth doesn't want the same beating it took in the second
And
round.
I think Seth might go again for a roundhouse kick to kickstart. There you go.
There goes.
And there you go. He does the
Seth
same thing
the hook.
again.
Same, Paras will do the hook again. Same thing.
Exactly.
घुस जाना बे सीधा
But did you?
There's a
as
beautiful
he-
strike on
as
his
he has
face.
the advice from his corner. If you give him time to recover, he'll recover good.
When Paras is tired, Paras needs to strike right now. Seth is giving slowly strikes to gain some confidence so he can rush in and take him down.
रेंज में जा पहले उसको अपने रेंज में ले हाँ
Up till now,
There's a third strike in the third round.
Paras should strike. Paras should give back because that's just giving him more and more confidence.
Exactly.
It's not good for Paras right now.
Seth is taking his own sweet time to kick. Paras is letting him kick.
आएगा रेंज में आएगा हाँ
Paras needs to strike otherwise.
आने दे चलेगा चल जा तू भी जैसे अटैक करेगा लेके घुस जाना
The referee has stopped the fight. There was no engagement.
मत जाना सैफ हाँ
Engagement has to be there, otherwise the referee is going to call out this fight.
It calls for point deduction.
Point has to be there when you going for the strike, when you
Paras is
engage.
telling him to come in the center, but he's always moving. Stand in the center, Paras.
चल
Let him
अटैक
come.
करेगा लेके
If Paras stays in center, Seth
Yeah,
needs
true.
his coach right now, so he's going to the close range.
Just Paras will again to the leg spin.
There you go. And he's taken him down again, going for the ground and
Now
pound.
it's a different game right now.
Completely.
Seth is going to take the lead here.
If Paras turns him out, there will be a good chance for him to sustain.
कंट्रोलिंग कर
And that's the advice from the corner.
हाँ
Exactly his words. Round choosna hai तेरे को. That's a wrong choice of words,
बस और
but
कुछ नहीं
let's see. The advice was right.
इधर
The
लेके
coach is going completely gully boy.
बस प्रेशर डाल हाँ डाल प्रेशर हाँ लगा प्रेशर लगा
And again, Seth is trying to recover. And Paras has got the leg hook kick, leg hook in, so he doesn't get the complete mount. That keeps Seth in the.
And from the other side,
And then
Paras
there Paras comes
supporters.
up, gives the one last.
कोई नहीं देखो निकाल रहा है ऊपर आ
ऊपर हाँ
And Seth is constantly trying to give for the elbow, but Seth is so tired. And there he goes.
And there goes Paras. He
Paras
comes back
turns him
up.
out. He's taking him out.
All he has to do is turn towards him and he gets the mount.
इसको
And there he flips him again. Nice
All
flip by
Paras has to do is
Seth.
stand up and he goes there.
If Paras gets up,
As you
the
can
game
see,
will
Paras
change
gets the
completely.
mount with the
That's a
slip.
good one by Paras. Good trying for the takedown. Now Seth is against the cage, in the trouble right now.
सैफ इधर लेके
There's a nice knee shots.
That was a nice, good knee by Paras.
सब जगह लेफ्ट लेग फंसा के गिरा उसको हाँ इधर लेके हाँ चल हाँ डर यार
There's a nice elbow strike again for the point. Seth is trying to lift his leg. He's so tired that he's barely even able to move. He's very tired.
As you can see, Paras is good at defending.
He's holding it nicely.
Just recovering.
Paras needs to step out right now. He needs to understand his game.
Now the
स्कोर करना भाई
round has all been set. It's nothing but Paras. And if Paras loses the round,
Exactly.
Paras needs to.
That was a knee shot, but it missed it.
If he secures this Paras goes down.
Ah,
And all the points with it.
nice. Paras is holding him nicely in that clinch position.
पटक उसको हेड में
Saif is so tired he cannot get out. He's punching the leg for no good reason. Saif,
अबे 25 का राइट से हाँ
Up till now, it's Saif's round. Paras has
अबे
turned his round in his favor. Otherwise, he loses this fight.
25 से
Saif is so tired that he can't even recognize his coach voice, able to hear his coach command. His coach is guiding, but he's not able to understand what is on. And there comes the elbow again on the ribs. So beautiful strikes. Saif is completely tired. Saif is completely tired. And the referee calls out.
अरे
That is a good call by the referee.
पंच मार
And the referee calls out again. And the fight good going. Paras needs to take the dominance right now because Saif is completely tired.
Paras needs to strike more, otherwise he loses the fight.
Nice shot by Paras. Nice, good.
That was a good strike by
good,
Paras.
Good strike. Good strike. And the fight is over.
And right? That was a good fight by both of them.
Fight, guys. Lovely fight.
As you can clearly see, first round was Saif, second was Paras, but third round was again Saif.
स्कोर क्यों नहीं कर रहा जब तेरे को बोल रहे
Now the judges are counting the marks and the points of both the fighters, of Saif also and Paras also. Let's see who has dominated the fight and who is winning so far. Yes, Johan?
Yeah, I think that first round was completely on Saif's favor, and the second round was completely dominated by Paras. But in third round, as you can see, Saif has got a good set of points.
And I can see a lot
Paras-
of beating on Saif's face. He's still standing strong.
Although
Team
if
got
he,
knocked
although
out.
if he wins the fight, but he has taken a lot of beating.
That's good. That's
So,
good. He's
it
a
doesn't
true
count as
true
a-
fighter.
yeah.
Good fighter. On the other hand, Paras is still calm.
But if Paras would have landed a few good shots in third round, this was completely his fight.
Both the fighters were very tired, but Paras played it nicely. And we have the winner right now. And winner by the unanimous decision is Red Corner, Saif Abuji.
You can see
And there goes the Red Corner, Saif Abuji. Beautifully played by both the partners.
with the partner. It's a good show of sportsmanship right there.
Good going, good going.
Only if Paras would have landed a few good
Few more
strikes in
strikes.
third round,
There you
it
go.
was his fight right there.
Yes.